The very first thing that I want to teach you is just the yoga breath. And it can be done in many ways, but and it can be done by invalids to the worst degree. And it may save a person's life just doing this if they can manage it. So what you want to do is you want to see in yoga we breathe with the whole body. In some disciplines such as qigong, they teach you to breathe low in the abdomen. But what we do is we breathe we start low in the abdomen, we breathe into the lungs after, and right up to the throat. But what you want to do is you want to learn how to expand the abdomen. So you lay down, and you can put your hands here, or you could put a weight here. It's either way. But you learn to expand your abdomen. So you just relax. Slow, easy, deep breathing. This is so simple, yet so important. This is something that can help every aspect of your life. And this is a habit that you want to get into. You want to get into a habit of teaching yourself to breathe deeply and expanding the abdomen. This is another one that if you're laying up in bed at night and all of a sudden something worries you, you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, start doing this. Pretty soon you're going to fall asleep. Because as soon as you get worried about something, you're going to notice that your breathing stops. So there's an old saying in all kinds of meditative practices, yoga, qigong, martial arts, and meditation, that it's a very interesting phenomenon that you should always watch your breath. And because when your breath is calm, then inside of you is calm. When your breath becomes, hesitant or erratic, or you're holding your breath, it's a reflection of your nervous system. So there's something going on in your consciousness. So what the old masters have always done is they say that if you can match your breathing to the state of consciousness that you want, you can artificially create it. So oftentimes that's what we do with these type of exercises, is we artificially create a state of calm through our breath. It can go either way. You can create a state of good breathing through a state of mental calm, but in our society it's usually the opposite. We're usually not calm, and we can enter calmness through our breath. So you want to get used to that, and it's an old, very deep meditation. No matter what state you're in, if you can reproduce the breath of that state, you can enter into it. It's a great secret. So if you can use that in your life whenever you're working very productively, notice what your breathing is. Whenever you're feeling in a great mood, notice what breathing it is. Calm, notice what breathing you're in. And then you can enter into that breathing at any time. But of course it takes practice. So the first thing to learn for anybody is this deep breathing. If you're really ill, practice this for just a few minutes a day. Like I say, you can put a little weight on yourself and just expand your belly that way.